Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we will learn the part 3 of utility analysis. In this part we will learn about types of utility and the various concepts of utility. Basically when we talk about utility, there are 6 types of utility. They are form utility, place utility, time utility, service utility, knowledge utility, and the last one is possession utility. Now let us come to the first part of types of utility. The first type of utility is the form utility. When the utility of any commodity increases due to the change in shape, size, structure of the existing material, it is said to be the form utility. The first type can be better understood with the help of the example. For example, when a wood is being transferred into furniture, here the wood changes its shapes and takes the shape of the furniture. Second one, when the tea leaves is get converted into the tea powder, so the leaves form has been changed to the tea powder. Third one, when the clay is being converted to the pot. So in all the three cases, that the wood is being converted to furniture, tea leaf is being converted to tea powder, the clay is converted to the pot. So it is all the example of the form utility. I hope the first one, the form utility, is being better clear to you. Now let us look to the second part of the second type of utility. What is the second type of utility? It is place utility. Now what is place utility? When utility of commodity increases due to change in place. So what is place utility? When the utility of commodity increases due to the change in place, it is said to be the place utility. This type can be better understood with the example. First one, when the sea sand is being transferred from seashore area to the construction site. So here the sea sand changes its place from sea to the construction area. So this is the example of the place utility. Secondly, when the coal from the mine is being transported to the factory. Are you getting? When the coal of the mines is being converted, transferred to the factory. Third one, when the food grain in the farm is being transported to the city market. So here in all the three cases, sea, sand transported to the construction site, coal in the mines is being transported to the factory, and the food grains in the farm is being transported to the city market. These are all the example of the place utility. Here all the three types, that is the sea, sand, coal and food grain, has the greater utility due to the change in the place. So it is the example of the place utility. Now let us come to the third types of utility. The third type of utility is the time utility. What is time utility? When utility of commodity increases due to the change in time of utilization. So what is time utility? When the utility of commodity increases due to the change in time of utilization. For example, the umbrella has the greater utility during the rainy season as compared to the winter season. So it is the example of the time utility. Similarly, blood donation, organ donation has a time utility. Got? So I hope the third one is clear, time utility. Now let us come to the fourth one, that is the service utility. What is service utility? Service utility is created when services are rendered by the professionals. For example, when the doctor is rendering his service to the patient, a teacher teaching to her or his students, a lawyer to her or his clients. These are all the examples of the service utility. Now let us come across with the fifth type of utility. The fifth type of utility is the knowledge utility. What is knowledge utility? When utility of a product increases due to the increase in the knowledge of consumer about the product. So what is knowledge utility? When the utility of a product increases due to the increase in the knowledge of consumer about how to use that particular product. For example, when the students get the better knowledge about how to use the computer or the various concepts in the computer, it is the example of the knowledge utility. So the first one is when the students get the knowledge about how to use the computer, it is the example of knowledge utility. Secondly, when the users of the mobile phone get the better knowledge about the various techniques that how to use the mobile phone. Thirdly, when the housewife get the better knowledge about how to use the micro oven in the house. So all these example, that is the computer, mobile phone and the micro ovens are the better examples of the knowledge utility. Is this clear? Now let us come to the sixth and the last part of the utility. The sixth one is possession utility. What is possession utility? When utility from community increases due to the transfer in ownership. When the utility from community increases due to the transfer in ownership, here the ownership is being transferred. That is why the community get the greater utility. For example, when any goods is being transferred from wholesaler to the retailer and from retailer to the consumer. So this is the example of the possession utility. So I hope students the types of utility, all the three types of utility is being clear to you. Now let us come to the next part of utility, that is what are the various concepts in utility. So basically there are the two types of utility. The first one is total utility and the second one is marginal utility. What is total utility? As the term itself indicates that the total utility refers to the sum. Sum means plus, total. Total utility refers to the sum of utility derived from all units of commodity consumed at a given point of time. So it is the sum of utility derived from all units of commodity consumed at a given point of time. Mathematically, it can be expressed as TU. That is the total utility is equal to sigma mu. Here the TU denotes the total utility and mu indicates the marginal utility. Are you getting? Now let us come to the second part, that is the marginal utility. What is marginal utility? Marginal utility refers to the additional utility derived by a consumer from an additional unit of commodity consumed. So what is marginal utility? Marginal utility refers to the additional utility derived by the consumer from the additional unit of commodity consumed. Mathematically, MUN is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. Here MU is equal to marginal utility and TU is equal to total utility. Students, let us proceed to the next part, that is what is the relationship between the total utility and the marginal utility. This concept, that is the relationship between the total utility and the marginal utility, can be better understood with the help of the schedule. That is the table between the relationship between the total and the marginal utility and the graphical presentation of the total and the marginal utility. So let us first come to the schedule, that total utility and the marginal utility schedule. See, in this schedule basically there is the three columns. First column indicates the units of commodity, second column indicates the total units of commodity, and the third column indicates the marginal utility. Got? So looking to the first column, when we can say when a consumer consumes the first unit of commodity, his total utility is 8 and the marginal utility is also 8. So while consuming the first unit of commodity, total and marginal utility both are same. When we look to the third part, when the consumer consumes the 3 units of commodity, his total utility increases from 8 to 18, but his marginal utility decreases from 8 to 4. Are you getting? Now let us come to the fourth one. When the consumer consumes the 4 units of commodity, his total utility increases from first one, that is 8 to 20, but his marginal utility diminishes from 8 to 2. Now when consumer consumes the 5th unit of commodity, his total utility is 20, but his marginal utility becomes 0. So when the consumption, due to the consumption of 6 unit, his marginal utility becomes negative, that is minus 2, and his total utility goes on diminishing. So got the relationship between the total and the marginal utility can be better understand with the graphical presentation of total and marginal utility. Here in the graph we can see that the x-axis indicates the unit of commodity, whereas the y-axis indicates the total and the marginal utility. See here the TU indicates the total utility and MU indicates the marginal utility. Initially we can say due to the consumption of first unit, when the consumer consumes the first unit, his total and marginal utility both are same. Are you getting? When the consumer consumes the first unit of commodity, his total and marginal utility is same, that is the 8. Are you getting? Due to the consumption, when the consumption of the second unit, due to the consumption of second unit, his total utility increases. Are you getting? His total utility increases from 8 to 14, but his marginal utility is decreasing from 8 to 6. Are you getting? Due to the, when total utility is maximum, are you getting? When the total utility is maximum, that is maximum total utility is the point of satiety, the marginal utility becomes 0. It is touching the x-axis. Are you getting? When the total utility is maximum, marginal utility is 0. Fourthly, we can say that when the total utility, after the point of satiety, the total utility curve is sloping downwards. So when the total utility decreases, at that time the marginal utility becomes negative. Are you getting? So this is the relationship between this graph gives us the more clarity regarding the relationship between the total and the marginal utility.